As I have mentioned, but I have not mentioned the detailed agenda. Okay, so in this session, I'll be discussing what all things I will be covering in this coming 10 days. So this is 10 days journey that we will be, having together, and whatever knowledge I have acquired so far from different mentors, I'll be sharing it all with you without any reservation. So that's a plan, and I have designed the structure in such a way that I'll be sharing what all things I use in market, and this whether it is scalping, momentum trading, even selling, and even to an extent one strategy for commodity also I'm planning to discuss. So let's get into this. I'll be sharing you what all things I'll be discussing in the coming session. That's what the agenda for today. And tomorrow onwards, we'll be picking up the speed. So the contents that we'll be discussing are too much and we don't have much time to waste. So first session, what I'll be doing is I'll be discussing this basics, okay? That is the futures and options, and I'll tell you what is meant by futures and options. Then so there are basically some new people who have joined after seeing the program. Okay, though I was expecting people who are watching my videos regularly to join the program, some new people have also been joined. So it's my commitment to cover the basics, and I'll hardly take 15 to 20 minutes for this basic concepts of futures and options, and I'll cover in such a way that you do not know the concept so far. Okay, you might have not understood in this way. So I'll make this very clear. Only after that I can discuss about this topic. The confusion that we all have all the time, whether to look the sport chart or to look the futures chart or to look at option charts for trading. Option charts anyway, when we are trading options, it is very much necessary. But the question comes whether to look at the sport chart or futures chart. This question can be understood only after knowing what are those futures and options, why and how it is introduced. See guys, if you know why you're doing what to do, then you're done. So here we will try to see why we are going to use whether the sport chart or futures chart by understanding. So if you got the answer for why you're doing what to do, then you cannot go wrong. So that's the reason I'll be explaining those basics of futures and options. Then I'll tell you what is the logic for following sport chart or future chart or option chart. In fact, all the three is required in different situations that I'll be explaining you, and I'll be proving that to you. Then the most important part of this entire session, the 10-day session, is this one. The capital management, the money management and the risk management. I always follow a very strict stop loss of maximum 20 points. Beyond this, I will never take. So capital management, the discipline, this is what I need to focus on. So the first session itself, so tomorrow itself, I'll be starting with this actually, because this is the ultimately what you need to learn. And if you can manage the risk, and if you can manage your capital, if you can protect your capital, automatically you will be able to make money from stock market. So this is something which I want to emphasize on. It's all 80% of your trading is about money management and risk management. If you just manage the risk, everything else will come automatically. Okay, so this is the first topic that I'll be addressing after the basics, and then the session will be like we will have live sessions, and then some of the concepts I have to discuss in the live market. For example, I'll be discussing some setups. So I have to explain during that, the time when the setup is active.
So hello guys, the course you are watching is sponsored by the Course Arena website. हमारा मेन मोटो आपको बहुत कम कीमतों पर प्रीमियम कोर्सेज प्रदान करना है. द कोर्स अरीना वेबसाइट ने उन हजारों छात्रों की मदद की है जो कोर्सेज को वास्तविक कीमत पर खरीद नहीं सकते. द कोर्स अरीना वेबसाइट आपको बहुत सस्ती कीमतों पर प्रीमियम कोर्सेज प्रदान करके आपकी मदद करने के लिए हैं. द कोर्स अरीना वेबसाइट मेनली 3 कैटेगरी के कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जैसे कि स्टॉक मार्केट, फॉरेक्स एंड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्सेज. आपको जिस भी टाइप के कोर्स चाहिए उस कैटेगरी पे क्लिक करें. अगर आपको कोई कोर्स